What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you'll find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money. And you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself, they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below, you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website and then I'll see you on the video. So welcome to another live trading episode. We are looking today at some possible trades, even though I don't see many opportunities for today. For this New York session, but this is just for now because New York session just started. There might be some opportunities during our live trading. So let's go over what is happening right now. So what is happening right now, we can see a lot of bullish pressure on your USD. We took out this previous high on the 15 minutes. Let's go to the 1 hour and see what is going on. Zooming out, I don't really see anything. 4 hours. 4 hours, we went above this previous high, which is very important for liquidity purposes. And now we reached this supply. Now, this supply is not this important because I'm more focused on lower time frames, but we can just use it as confluence. We can just look at it like this. I will not really keep it on my chart. And then we go to lower time frames to see what's happening. So on lower time frames, you can see that on the 3 minutes, we are still in this uptrend and there is this demand area, which is still valid as long as we don't break it. Once we break it, we will be aligned for sells. On the 1 minute, there was not any confirmation. So there was no trade from here, because we didn't break this previous high. Here there was no structure. If this high would have been broken, then this would have been confirmation, but that didn't happen. So this high was not broken. This is no confirmation. We just broke to the downside and went to the downside. Now we are looking at this demand for confirmation, and then we will look at two possible supplies, which would be this one and this one, for possible sells to continue to the downside. Possibly on the first one if there is enough confluence, because this can be a bigger trade from the 4 hours to actually target some imbalance that was left behind here. Where is it? Here. So we can target this imbalance. We can target 50% of the imbalance possibly from a possible trade from here. Let's take a look at it and let's keep it on the watch list. There's someone sending something. Yeah, I just covered your USD, so stay ready for what I covered. If we don't break this demand, I will not look for sells. Now let's go to GBPUSD. GBPUSD, I was looking for sells here. We took some sells here. All the confluences were there except for some volumes, which actually we needed some more volume, but that's okay. And now I'm not looking at anything unless there is the usual confirmation that we come down here, but I'm more focused on your USD compared to GBPUSD, going on higher time frames. let me delete some things. Going to hard time frames, we can see that we just manipulated and took. Did we take this liquidity? I don't know. Let me see. We're about to take this liquidity, and it would be good to look for. We did take that liquidity, so it would be good that now we can look for sells without any problem. And again, also here we have this huge imbalance area, and we target the 50%, but we will see it later after there is a confirmation. If there is a confirmation, I prefer USD anyway. Euro GBP, I'm not really interested in the 4 hours. What do we have here? Here we had some nice confirmation, but it wasn't during my trading time, because I either trade right away during London until 9, maximum at 9:30 right here. This was 9:30, and then I traded New York, which is now. So this is now good confirmation for me. But anyway, it's not good confirmation according to my trading times. Here we had some bullish momentum. This was the latest demand which needed to be broken. After breaking demand, we went to take internal liquidity here, reaching the order. Oh, actually, we didn't take the order block, did we? On the 1 minute, maybe. Yeah, well, I mean, this order block and going above the internal liquidity. If you don't want to take the trade right away with a pending order here, we have this confirmation with a nice alignment of lower time frames, break to the upside, break to the downside right here, and then trade from supply. So this could have been the possible scenarios. It wasn't during my trading time. I will never trade at 11 a.m. London time. I will never take this trade. But as far as an example on charts, this is good. As far as timing, it's very bad. So here I have another breakdown on US 30, but also right here, also I would say I just didn't take it. I explained to you why. So we have the daily opening price at 5 a.m. right here. This is the daily opening price. We go above it, we come back, and it is a good confluence that we come back to the order block, which was this one of the daily opening price. I mean, it is correlated with the daily opening price. So we go above, we come back to the daily opening price, and I was looking for buys. Why was I looking for buys? Let's go to the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, we can clearly see that we have this break of structure to the upside. This is a very clear demand which left imbalance, and we slowly came back to the demand. Now, once we reached it, I was looking for buys. I was looking for confirmation. Volumes were up. I didn't cover volumes this way on the course because I've been back testing it for the past 3-4 weeks, but I will make a new video and I will add it to the course on how I'm combining these volumes with the moving average on the volumes. It's just an extra confluence that I want to have during my trading times. And here we have break to the downside, break to the upside, price coming back to demand, touching the demand, and just flying to the upside. So this could have been a beautiful 1 to 5 risk to reward trade right here, 1 to 6 actually, targeting this supply right here. There you go, 1 to 6, 1 to 6.1. But why didn't I take this trade? I didn't take this trade because US 30 created dynamic liquidity. I was here with one of the people of the Excel team, and he made me notice that there was this liquidity created by US 30 here, dynamic liquidity. So I was expecting the price to give this as fake confirmation, come back down, take the trendline liquidity, and then give a confirmation to go, but that didn't happen. So that was just my something that I was supposing, but it didn't happen. Beautiful setup anyway. I will take screenshot and I will review it. Volumes were up, so that's a good confirmation was there. We don't care if later we go down, we just care about some quick moves for the day.